Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your accelerator pedal on this VW Golf. This one is the Golf Mark 6. It's also the same on the Golf Mark 5 as well, possibly the 7. So as you can see, this is our throttle pedal. I've got a plug over there, so you need to push this clip out, up and then in, and as you can see it just comes straight off. But I need to take this tab off, if you can see it clearly, but there's a little slit there to pop that off, because we're going to need to remove, I think it's a nut or a bolt there. And then down here you can see there's two little holes down there. You need to get like a flathead screw, push on there, push the clips away, and then this whole pedal will come up. I'll show you what I mean. See those tabs there? So that's what I'm talking about, because it looks like that. So now just got to pop this out. It's a 10mm. I'm going to remove that. And then got to remove it from under here. So now just need to get in there, undo that one. Then let's see, push this one forward. And that's basically it, really. Now we'll just start a new pedal in. Just make sure it's clipped in place. Put our 10mm back in. You can see our pedal is secure. Gonna go plug back in. Put our cover back in. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope this was of help to you. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. And don't forget to leave comments below. Stay blessed. Keep on rolling. Boom.